if you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Baldur's Gate 3, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help reduce or eliminate those interruptions. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum and recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. If your hardware is below the recommended specs, consider upgrading components like the CPU, GPU, or RAM. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements for games. Step 3. Adjust in game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Access the options menu and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help improve frame rates and reduce lag. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, and other games can consume valuable system resources, leading to lag. Step 5. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, GOG, etc. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your adventure in Baldur's Gate 3.